Ganun. Ganito na hair ko. Oh my God. Ayan o. Wala lang. Pa-cute lang yung look. Hi guys! Ayan, may video na naman ako para sa inyo. For today's video, I will be showing you my summertime inspired makeup look. So as you can see, I got my yellow top on and my loose wavy hair and my very glowy and fresh looking makeup. So yung makeup ko for today, I'm inspired by the colors yellow, orange, and peach. So yun yung ideal colors na naiisip ko kapag summertime because it's very warm, fresh, youthful, radiant. And also, I did some highlighting on my face. And my hair, I did some loose waves. So if you guys wanna see how I did this makeup look, please keep on watching. So to start off this simple summer makeup look, I will be using a moisturizer, the Olay Moisturizing Cream. This will act as a base and I will not be needing a primer anymore because the moisturizer will prep the skin. For the next product, I will be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Instead of a foundation, I will be using a concealer since it is lightweight and it will spot conceal any imperfection on your face. Then, I will set the concealer in place with the Covergirl Fresh Complexion Powder. This powder will help control the oils on your face and this will also help the makeup stay longer throughout the day. Okay, moving on to the eyes, I will be using my favorite eyeshadow palette, the Jaclyn Morphe palette. So, I will be using mid-tone browns and a yellow to create this summer eyeshadow look. I will blend the transition shades I've chosen to create a soft hazy effect on the eyes. Since this is only a light makeup look, I will not be doing a heavy smoky eye. So I like to add the color yellow on the outer edge of the eye since yellow is a happy color and yellow is one of my favorite colors. So to brighten up the center of my lids, I will be adding a shimmery peach color. So to tie things up on the eyes, I will be using a matte black eyeliner. I got it from Nichido. What I like about it is it's very lightweight and it's easy to use. Then to top it all off, I will be using a Maybelline Hyper Lash Curling Mascara. So for my eyebrows, I will be using eyeshadow today. I will use my Lorac palette. To create that kilay on fleek look, I will be tracing the shape of my brows first. Then afterwards, I will be filling it in. Then I will set my brows on place using the Nichido eyebrow gel. So moving on to the cheeks, I will be using my current favorite clay blush. This blush is very blendable, it's easy to use, and it's not patchy at all. So this blush will give you an instant sun-kissed look as if you just got out of the beach. So since this clay blush is a multi-use product, I will also be using this as a lip color. So to finish this look, I will be using my current favorite liquid highlighter. It's from Wet n Wild. This highlighter is very blendable, easy to use, and it will give you a wet-like sheen on your skin. I know you've been treating yourself wrong, so let me care for you. Ooh, baby, I'ma love you differently. I'll give you electricity, give it to you. So my summer glowy makeup look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you wanna see more videos on my channel, please click the subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!